They caught us. I don't know where we are, but why am I always in sketchy places?
So tonight, we about to see what's up with this drift event. I don't know if it's inside or if it's outside. We don't hear any drifting noises. Sky has special sauce, but that's not what he wanted. So we're about to check that out. We got Mendel here. We got Sky holding the phone. We're about to walk around and look for everybody else. Come on, chat.
Fold my mirror. Oh, what the fuck going on? See, we could have parked right here.
Yeah, I was like, maybe we should.
Should we go repark? We should probably repark.
Let's go repark.
Yes. That Logan. Oh shit. All right, reparked, much better spot. Aha. What up, man?
What's up?
Oh
How are
my
you?
god, my ring almost just flew off. What's in your hands?
Stickers.
Drift car things.
Let's get it, baby.
Ooh, they're colored. They're pretty.
I like that color.
Hey,
That shit's
this green is
Let me
the
see that
best.
silver real quick.
100%.
Let's see that
100%. You can have it if you'd like.
I just want to see how it looks first.
Ooh,
I
that's
might take.
Yeah, just
Damn.
green, red, silver, and then 2 types of blue.
I like it.
Hell yeah.
They look good.
Not too bad.
Drift car things.
All right. What do I owe you?
Nothing.
Aw.
Just because I love you.
Aw, love you too.
Gotta go.
Have fun.
Yep.
I'll go shred some motherfucking tires, baby. Come on.
Yo, are they playing a game projected on the wall? Oh, that's
Hello.
Be able to stand like over there?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you're right. We can't go no more. We can't get any closer to officials unless we want to pay. I don't want to pay. What was that supposed to mean? That was quick.
Hey, chat. Talk to my chat.
Chat.
What's up?
Did you see the brakes? The brakes are on fire. Fucking sick.
That was nasty.
Wait, I can't do it.
That guy was nasty with it.
Not foul. I'm wiping all this shit off my fucking.
It's just all over the phone. So much tiger.
You look close as fuck right now. That's when I come back around, I think.
I feel like I'm reviewing 90s footage.
Yeah, that's when I come back this way. Right here.
God,
Oh
damn.
shit. Yeah, you can tell by your brake
That
lights.
shit actually look pretty good.
Dude, I'm literally sitting in the car and I'm like, I'm gonna throw up. I thought we were hitting.
Oh.
It's okay. There's a lot of times where she thinks we're gonna hit shit, but we're not.
Yeah.
I'm kind of. How many times you gonna go?
You wanna come with?
I'm thinking, yeah. That'd be really good.
It's fine. I was gonna tell him he should go so he can get some interior clips.
That's good content.
No, but listen, I have valid reasoning of being nervous that we're gonna hit stuff because guardrail,
California.
That's fucked up.
that shit hurts.
What am I doing? Ow. We strapped in.
Look at that motherfucking dog, boy.
That shit is fun, dude.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Ah, thank you. That Mustang was ripping over there.
Yeah. He's in UDC.
What's that stand for?
Ultimate Drift Challenge.
Ah,
It's a competition. It's like, I think it's like, I'm not exactly sure, don't quote me, but I think it's like 6 to 8 competitions.
gotcha.
And
That is very, very underground feeling.
yes.
Having a projector on the wall. That seems like a thing that you would see in Asia, not here.
There's an actual monitor inside.
Uh-huh.
The-
Just through a projector. Oh, I see.
Yeah, and then it's just for people to watch on the outside.
Oh, yeah. fucking Instagram, aka Stogie Slide. One more time. Wait, I'm gonna get a close up. Alright, no. Okay. Get your big ass head out the. You actually blocked the whole view.
Oh, that's not the right video. Is this the video? Maybe, I don't know. Nope, that's not the right video. I'm sorry. Is this the right video? Them? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
They caught us. We had to go pay for wristbands. Show me your wristband. Let me see your wristband.
You got a wristband?
That's $30 between
No, I
us.
can't fuck with you for the free.
They got us. They
I
got
fuck
us.
with you for the free. I don't even know you.
You have a wristband?
No.
Why you can't get in? You need a wristband.
For the free?
Now I'm not gonna mess with you for the free. I don't even know you.
Hi, chat.
Drive safe. Oh, I'll come around.
Proper etiquette right there. Bye, chat.
Good night, chat.
Hey, drive safe, bud.
We'll do.
That was
You
a lot
too.
of fun though. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You gotta come to next Vegas Drift.
Just let me know when anything like this is going, and I will be there.
I got you. What is that?
Now you gotta say it.
What happened?
It's annoying when someone say what?
He said, should I? Was like, if you want to. And he's like,
Oh,
yes or
nah. Yeah, facts. Don't put that on her conscience. You gotta smoke that shit.
Yeah. No, I'm kidding. Thanks.
Yeah, I had to, bro. It was bugging me. And you guys, he has so much fucking on his expensive ass carbon fiber fucking spoiler.
Whose idea was that?
That was my idea, chat.
What happened? Oh, Alex, maybe put it out. There's a whole bunch of cops. Or stay back. Especially one.
I gotta get tried for a meat that got shut down, bro. I want a refund.
Yo.
What's up? I didn't even know you were here.
Oh, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, I saw you out in the middle.
Yeah.
I was in the car with Logan on one of the runs.
I was gonna say, I'm surprised you noticed me. I'm black. I mean, I'm not black, but like, you know.
I was zooming in. I caught you in the headlight.
Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Is he like
that
fuck?
chat.
Don't tag me either, bro.
Let's see how blocked in we are. Oh, right there. And they go to right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God damn it.
Disco.
It's like pretend we're at a club or something.
Let's call it a day.
Drive safe.
Alright, cuz, you coming over to the house tomorrow?
Drive safe.
Are you doing cafe?